Here are 5 budget smart devices that feel premium under €30 each. Let us get straight into it. Number 1. Aqara temperature sensor. Tiny, precise, and accurate to 0.1 degrees Celsius. Displays live temperature and humidity on a clean e-ink screen. Triggers automations. Heating on below 18 degrees, fan on above 25. Price, around $12. Number 2. IKEA Styrbar remote. Physical remote for smart lights that feels high quality and solid. 4 buttons: on, off, dim up, dim down. Instantly familiar. Works with IKEA and all Zigbee lights. No app required in use. Price, around $10. Number 3. Sonoff SNZB02D sensor. Built-in display shows temperature and humidity at a glance. Looks like a proper smart home product, not a cheap sensor. Under $12 and works with every major Zigbee hub. Price, around $12. Number 4. Govee LED Strip. Under cabinet or behind TV lighting that looks professionally installed. App control, music sync, and scenes from a $15 device. Cuts cleanly and sticks with 3M adhesive. No tools needed. Price, around $15. Number 5. TP-Link Kasa compact plug. Smallest smart plug on the market. Does not block the adjacent socket. Feels like a proper product, not cheap white plastic. Works out of the box with Alexa and Google Home with no hub. Price, around $12. The best value in smart home is often the least expensive device. The Aqara sensor is the most impressive under €15. Start there. Follow for a new smart home tip every day.